The 8 Pillars of Character-Driven Success. In a world that is constantly evolving and presenting us with new challenges, one thing remains constant: the importance of having strong character. Achieving true and enduring success goes beyond mere talent, charisma, or opportunity. It encompasses a deeper understanding and commitment. It requires a strong sense of character. The way we handle life's endless possibilities and the choices we make shape who we become and lay the foundation for meaningful success. It has a significant impact on our leadership style, decision-making process, and the alignment of our values with our actions. The 8 Pillars of Character-Driven Success delve into the fundamental aspects of character that not only enable us to achieve our aspirations, but also guarantee that these aspirations are rooted in a strong and stable base. Character is the driving force behind seizing opportunities, shaping our integrity through challenges, and leading with courage and authenticity. This process of chiseling away at the unnecessary helps us uncover the truest and most authentic version of ourselves. Throughout this journey, we will delve into the profound influence of character on achieving success. We will examine how character is forged through the choices we make each day and why it serves as the foundation for effective leadership, unwavering resilience, and the establishment of trust. Featuring perspectives from influential figures such as Jim Rohn, Stephen Covey, and Brené Brown, this piece explores the enduring significance of character in attaining lasting fulfillment. Success goes beyond mere external victories. It stems from the profound internal transformation that paves the way for achievement. Pillar 1. The endless possibilities. Today we are fortunate to live in a time filled with endless possibilities. The world has become increasingly interconnected, with access to resources, knowledge, and networks expanding rapidly. This holds true regardless of your background, economic status, or geographic location. Recognizing and seizing opportunities is crucial for turning dreams into reality. Some individuals struggle to progress not due to a shortage of opportunities, but rather because they fail to fully capitalize on what is at their disposal. Jim Rohn, a well-known motivational speaker, once emphasized the importance of success being achieved through consistent daily practice of simple disciplines. This advice emphasizes the importance of taking action and putting in consistent effort in order to turn opportunities into success. Success doesn't come easy. It demands hard work, determination, and the willingness to step out of your comfort zone. It is a common occurrence for us to become easily sidetracked by the constant barrage of distractions in our modern lives, such as social media and endless entertainment. These can overshadow the things that are truly important, such as personal growth and developing one's character. Stephen Covey, the renowned author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, emphasizes the significance of prioritizing what truly holds value in our lives. He cautions against allowing urgent yet unimportant tasks to overshadow our genuine goals. In order to avoid falling into this trap, it is crucial for us to foster a sense of mindfulness, making sure that our focus on shallow accomplishments does not overshadow our personal growth. Ultimately, the true value lies not only in attaining external accomplishments, but in leveraging those achievements to mold yourself into the individual you aspire to be. It's all about making choices that lead to long-term fulfillment and personal growth, ensuring that success is not only sustainable, but also deeply meaningful. Pillar 2. Character. Definition. The process of shaping character is akin to sculpting, where the unnecessary is stripped away to reveal the true essence of one's being. The word character has its roots in the Greek term character, which refers to a chisel or engraving tool. The process of self-improvement is akin to a sculptor meticulously refining a block of marble, gradually unveiling a masterpiece hidden within. It requires us to diligently chip away at our weaknesses, flaws, and unproductive habits, molding ourselves into individuals of strong character. Dr. Jordan Peterson, a renowned psychologist and author of the best-selling book 12 Rules for Life, delves deeply into the intricacies of self-improvement. According to him, it is by confronting and overcoming the obstacles of life that we start to build our character. You have to face the disorder in your life and willingly confront it, he states, emphasizing that one's character is not shaped in ease, but in challenges. Each obstacle, disappointment, and triumph presents a chance to shape your character, enhancing your strength, resilience, and self-awareness. Developing character necessitates deep self-reflection, unwavering dedication, and a strong sense of self-control. In the face of unimaginable adversity, Viktor Frankl, a survivor of the Holocaust and the brilliant mind behind man's search for meaning, astutely noted that individuals possess the remarkable ability to determine their own attitude and shape their actions. The ability to make decisions, regardless of external circumstances, forms the bedrock of one's character. Your continuous self-refinement is akin to that of a sculptor, carefully chiseling away at each decision, big or small, to reveal the true essence of your character. The journey is ongoing, but by approaching it with intention and mindfulness, you can continually strive towards becoming the best version of yourself. Pillar 3. Achieving success with or without character. In today's fast-paced world, it's tempting to think that success can be achieved rapidly, without the need for a strong moral foundation. It's fascinating how individuals can achieve prominence through various means, such as charisma, strategic marketing, or taking shortcuts. Nevertheless, accomplishments attained without integrity tend to deteriorate over time. As Warren Buffett famously stated, it takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. Success that lacks integrity, discipline, or authenticity is destined to crumble, much like a house built on unstable ground. However, success with character is enduring as it is founded on unwavering principles. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, has highlighted the significance of thinking ahead and the impact of one's character on achieving lasting success. According to Bezos, your brand is defined by the conversations people have about you when you're not present. This highlights the significance of maintaining integrity and authenticity in not only establishing a reputation, but also leaving a lasting legacy. On the other hand, achieving success in the short term can often result in making hasty decisions and compromising one's ethical standards. Research has indicated that practicing ethical behavior, which is a reflection of one's character, can result in increased levels of trust, loyalty, and long-term success in both business and personal endeavors. For example, companies that prioritize ethical practices have consistently demonstrated stronger financial performance over time. The key to success lies in one's unwavering character, which only grows stronger in the face of pressure and temptation. This solid foundation paves the way for ongoing achievements. Although it may require more time and effort, achieving success with integrity is ultimately more fulfilling and long-lasting. Pillar 4. The process of building character. Developing character is a continuous and intentional journey that requires making daily decisions, self-reflection, and taking action. It is a misconception that adversity inherently develops character. However, our response to adversity is what ultimately determines whether we experience personal growth or decline. In her research on the growth mindset, Carol Dweck, a renowned Stanford psychologist, emphasizes this point. The author highlights the importance of having a growth mindset, which allows individuals to view challenges as chances for personal growth. In contrast, individuals with a fixed mindset tend to avoid difficult situations, hindering their personal development. Character is forged in critical moments of choice. When confronted with challenges, will you opt for resilience or surrender? Will you respond honestly or choose the path of least resistance? Decisions shape our identity as they build up over time. Angela Duckworth, the author of Grit, emphasizes that character is determined by perseverance rather than talent. Her definition of grit emphasizes the importance of passion and sustained effort in achieving long-term goals, highlighting its role in shaping one's character. This resilience enables individuals to endure challenges and come out stronger. Each achievement, setback, happiness, and challenge contributes to the development of your character. Everyday life is filled with opportunities to develop a strong character. The important thing is to actively embrace these experiences as chances to learn and grow. It's important to constantly work on improving your weaknesses and building upon your strengths. With time, these choices shape an individual who is resilient in the face of life's challenges and makes a positive impact on the world. Pillar 5. Upholding integrity and demonstrating courage. Integrity and courage are crucial qualities in shaping one's character. This passage beautifully highlights the importance of integrity and courage. It emphasizes the significance of doing what is right, even in the absence of an audience, and the bravery required to confront fear and choose the correct path, regardless of the potential dangers. These two traits complement each other, forming the foundation of a strong character. According to C.S. Lewis, integrity involves doing what is right, even when there is no one around to witness it. Acting in spite of fear is a demonstration of courage. Nelson Mandela, who endured 27 years in prison, is known for his powerful statement on courage. "I discovered that bravery is not the absence of fear, but rather the ability to overcome it. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." This quote beautifully captures the true nature of courage in one's character. It emphasizes the importance of making the decision to keep moving forward, even when faced with an uncertain or intimidating path. In leadership, having integrity and courage is absolutely essential. Leaders who possess moral fortitude, make tough decisions, uphold their principles, and set a good example are the ones that people admire and follow. In today's world, these qualities are increasingly important as leaders face constant scrutiny. The foundation of ethical leadership lies in making decisions based on moral considerations, while the attribute of courage empowers leaders to take decisive action even when confronted with fear or opposition. These qualities combine to create a solid character that has the ability to motivate and guide others. Pillar 6 focuses on leadership and character. Leadership is truly founded on one's character, rather than their charisma. Although charisma can initially attract followers, it is ultimately one's character that maintains their loyalty and trust in the long run. Leadership that is grounded in character focuses on motivating others through actions rather than mere words. The focus should be on empowering others rather than on making oneself indispensable. John Maxwell, a renowned authority on leadership, has emphasized the importance of understanding that leadership goes beyond titles, positions, or flowcharts. It's all about how one life can have a profound impact on another. This highlights the importance of true leadership, which involves setting a good example for others to follow. Leaders who prioritize the growth and well-being of their team members, rather than seeking to exert power or control, are truly character-driven. A person who possesses a strong character has the ability to inspire others to reach their full potential. They are skilled at delegating authority and have confidence in their team's abilities. In contrast, there are leaders who possess charisma but lack substance, relying solely on their charm to hold on to their positions of authority. Over time, supporters of such leaders may become disillusioned, particularly when the leader's choices contradict ethical principles. Jim Collins, the author of Good to Great, emphasizes that the most successful leaders possess a unique blend of humility and unwavering determination. These leaders prioritize the needs of the organization over their own personal interests. This style of leadership necessitates possessing strong character traits such as honesty, self-awareness, and a steadfast dedication to doing what is morally correct, even in challenging circumstances. The foundation of effective leadership lies in fostering a culture of trust and collaboration, which ultimately leads to sustained success for both the leader and their team. Pillar 7 explores the intriguing relationship between cognitive dissonance and self-deception. Cognitive dissonance arises when there is a discrepancy between a person's beliefs and actions, leading to psychological distress. As an example, someone might claim to value honesty, yet consistently resorts to lying in order to conceal their errors. Over time, this dissonance can gradually chip away at one's mental well-being and integrity, causing a profound internal conflict. Psychologist Leon Festinger, who first introduced the concept, explains that individuals have a natural inclination to minimize cognitive dissonance by either modifying their behavior or finding ways to justify their actions. Cognitive dissonance can pose a significant risk in both leadership and personal life. When people present a facade of success or integrity, but their actions contradict this facade, they end up causing stress for themselves and undermining trust in their relationships. Authenticity is crucial for various reasons. This text beautifully highlights the importance of living an authentic life, where individuals are true to themselves and their values. By doing so, they can experience a sense of harmony and contentment in their mental and emotional well-being. Brené Brown, in her book Dare to Lead, discusses the significance of vulnerability in addressing cognitive dissonance. She emphasizes the importance of leaders being transparent about their challenges and flaws in order to establish trust and promote authenticity within their organizations. Recognizing and acknowledging your limitations, mistakes, and areas for growth is crucial in order to avoid cognitive dissonance. Living in alignment with your values and building a strong, resilient character is essential. Pillar 8. The enduring advantages of character. Developing character is more than just a personal pursuit. It is a valuable investment in your future achievements. Although achieving success may seem appealing at first, it is important to consider the long-term effects. Success without character can lead to negative outcomes, including damaged trust, strained relationships, and a sense of emptiness. On the other hand, achievements that are based on strong character traits, such as integrity, resilience, and perseverance, tend to be more enduring and fulfilling. Trust is the essential element that holds everything together, as Stephen R. Covey wisely pointed out. Effective communication relies heavily on this crucial element. It's the fundamental principle that underpins all relationships. Trust is the foundation that upholds personal and professional relationships throughout the years, relying on one's character. Those who place a strong emphasis on character tend to see increased levels of loyalty, collaboration, and productivity from both individuals and organizations. Character plays a significant role in determining your overall well-being in the long run. Research in positive psychology reveals that individuals who align their actions with their values and uphold their integrity tend to experience greater levels of happiness and life satisfaction. Living with character has numerous benefits, including reducing internal conflict, strengthening relationships, and creating a sense of fulfillment. In the long run, character is the most valuable asset that appreciates over time. Character is something that endures, even when wealth, status, and external achievements may diminish. It's what people remember you for and what shapes your legacy. Through consistently making choices that embody integrity, courage, and resilience, you establish a solid groundwork for enduring success that surpasses any fleeting accomplishment.